Hello guys. I'm on Standard Bank website, guys. Standard Bank has a internship program, guys. They have internship program, guys. They have internship program. So guys, before I we start, please subscribe to my channel. Please like and share. It helps the channel to grow. Let's grow this channel together, guys. Please subscribe, like and share for more content like this. So guys, let's start. Standard Bank has internships, guys. When you scroll, you can come and read everything here, guys. And then let's scroll. What can you expect? An internship with Standard Bank Group gives you the opportunity to gain a valuable workplace experience with the foundation of the tertiary qualification. You will start contributing from the moment you join, as you get involved in a real project and have every chance to develop and grow. Once you have completed your internship, you will possess high in demand skills and qualifications, so you will be able to own your career potential and apply for the role of your dreams. Join our internship program, and it's not just your future. You will have a positive effect on. You will become part of a journey to create a better tomorrow for everyone across Africa. Guys, you will read everything. Let's scroll down, guys. Let's scroll down. And then the Standard Bank internship, you can choose from several market leading internships offering between 12 to 18 months. These internships are between 12 to 18 months fixed term employment. You will receive a monthly stipend plus invaluable coaching. Fixed term employment. Standard Bank Group, 12 to 18 months. Monthly stipend, certification specific to the skills being built on the program. Practical, meaningful workplace experience, coaching, and then application criteria. To apply, you must be a South African citizen between the ages of 18 and 30, able to speak, read, and write English, be computer literate, and not be permanent employed, not be studying to another tertiary institution, which means that you must you must not be studying at any university or tertiary. And then our programs: corporate and investment banking, insurance and asset management, technology. And then guys, let's scroll and check below, and then apply for internship. View our internship program. It means you will come and click here. It will redirect you here. So here they say the internship program: number 1, intern portfolio administration, location Simon Street, Johannesburg. Business segment, group functions, type of employment, it's part-time. And then relations support internship. Guys, let's click this one, the first one, and see what's happening. Let's click the first one and see what's happening, guys. And then the application link for you to reach here. Check the description below. I will leave the Standard Bank application link, so that you will click, and then you will come here, and then you will fill the required details. So guys, as you can see, job posted on 9 May 2025, and then this is the job description. Why choose us? You will come and read everything, your benefits, and then qualifications, and the additional information. You will start date is 1 July 2025. Stipend, it's 8,000, guys. Location 3 Summit office. Minimum requirements, I will already read this one. And then you come and click here to apply. Guys. Let's apply, guys. Let's apply. So Guys, don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share for more content like this. Let's apply, guys. Let's apply.